That's why, maybe his car glass, the one broken, Or maybe, ayun.
Thing from the motor. This one motor engine no stop. Like that, very loud.
Ayun. Luckily, the uncle know
Go
that.
and buy pharmacy,
Ayun. By the pharmacy,
Okay, sakit. Candy blast or what?
Sure, maybe enjoy the space lah.
Yeah.
Huh? Because, like, ayun.
You can't drive him to the hospital lah. What for?
That's why,
Very slow one.
They also got karma. Why don't bring that uncle?
Yeah. They already take photo, everything take photo already.
Oh, he take photo for the just in case the police came.
Claim the insurance or what?
Bleeding. Should be bring to the hospital immediately. Maybe get injured serious,
You know why they're waiting for the ambulance? Is that the white car still can drive one?
Yeah. Ayoy.
Now we're going to try to go to the side.
To he parking beside. Because if not, the car cannot go traffic again. The 99 staff also go and help. Malay one.
Very loud, just have the engine sound, the motor sound.
Oh.
I think the one you cannot turn off already. Like that.
Yeah.
They never turn the motor.
Ayun.
But it's already free gear lah, free gear. Ya. Kau ingat belum potong rumput?
Injured I think the forehead.
Yeah.
The Malay say the forehead. I show his hand.
Eh?
Die already only come. This ambulance are very slow.
The nearest one you send also can of course waiting for the ambulance.
Yeah, they all got karma. And then they knock the people bunch. They should.
Children, you ask them sit inside the tea house there, have a tea first.
Just wait there for a while. Bring the patient first. Actually, their own fault, ma. Dito tutok, just carry the patient go to the ambulance, ma. Why you want to talk for what? Faster lah. The ambulance slow come already and then still want to talk some more. They give the first aid first. Ayo, hand on the head though.
Yeah. I see it.
Hand on the head though. Luckily, not so serious lah. But head also dangerous, you see. Near to the eyes.